Hello everyone and welcome back! It is so great to have you here. Let's dive right into the charts. Today we're looking at Trump to USDT, and it is showing some really promising early signs of a bullish reversal. It's been holding strong at that $1.58 to $1.62 support zone, where buyers have stepped in several times, which we absolutely love to see. This latest rebound? Well, it suggests that selling pressure is finally starting to fade, and the price is now attempting to reclaim those short-term moving averages. Now, if Trump can break above that key $1.70 resistance, it opens the door for a move toward $1.90, followed by the big $2 mark. And hey, if that buying volume continues to increase, our next major target could be all the way up around $2.40. As long as that $1.58 support remains intact, the overall setup continues to favor the bulls. This is definitely a chart worth watching for a potential breakout rally. Now, if you're enjoying these crypto updates, and I really hope you are, please do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest trading ideas. Also, do you want daily premium trading calls and personal chart requests? Just DM me the name of your favorite cryptocurrency, and I'll personally provide a detailed technical analysis for you. You can also visit our Patreon page. Just click the link in the description to join our amazing premium community and unlock exclusive content. And finally, a quick reminder, this is technical analysis for educational purposes only, folks, not financial advice. Always do your own research and manage your risk before making any investment decisions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.